top story today, South Korea reported another day of record high figures in terms of caseload and severely ill patients on Wednesday. The government is considering possible options to toughen social distancing rules, including reducing business hours and imposing private gathering limits. Our Choi Won-jong reports.
Much stricter social distancing measures are being considered in South Korea. Due to a growing number of daily cases and severely ill patients nationwide, the country's Prime Minister Kim Boo-kyum is reviewing options to prevent further spread. Among the options being looked at are reintroduction of reduced business hours and stronger private gathering limits.
If stricter social distancing rules are put in place, we'll announce appropriate measures to compensate business owners if they have to endure damage to their business.
As the country's medical capacity continues to be overwhelmed, with over 86% of critical care beds in use in the Greater Seoul area, Prime Minister Kim stressed that the importance of securing enough hospital beds by the end of this year. This comes as Wednesday saw all-time high 7,850 cases. 70 more deaths were reported, bringing the death toll over 4,400. And the number of critical ill patients has risen to 964, up 58 from the previous day. South Korean health authorities have extended quarantine restrictions for another 3 weeks until January 6. Due to concerns over Omicron variant from overseas, the government has imposed mandatory 10-day quarantine for all travelers regardless their vaccination status or nationality until December 16th. Plus, the government has also extended travel restrictions targeting 11 African countries that have been highly exposed to Omicron variant. Until January 6 next year, foreign travelers from these countries won't be able to travel to South Korea freely. Choi Won-jong, Arirang News.